Let's discuss Leetcode problem number 525, finding the maximum length of contiguous subarrays with equal number of zeros and ones. But before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now back to the problem. You are given an input vector of only zeros and ones. Your task is to find the maximum subarray with equal number of zeros and ones. So rephrasing the problem in another way is like if you replace zeros with negative ones, you have to find the maximum subarray, contiguous subarray whose sum equals to 0, and that's what is exactly is done here. Like that is a cool trick. Like instead of when you're taking the cumulative sum, if it is 0 you add -1, if it is 1 you add 1, so that way you don't have to count the number of zeros and count the number of ones. You can just use the cumulative sum to take care of both. So I call this as cumulative sum in map pattern, so that you can keep track of how many zeros you have seen and how many ones you have seen, and to calculate the maximum subarray length. So you initialize with 0 in case 0 with -1 in order to take care if this contiguous subarray starts with 0 index. As you can see in this problem run, we will see why that is needed. Now we loop through the input array, and if the calculate the cumulative sum. If it is 1 you add 1, otherwise you subtract 1. Now if it is not found in the map, cumulative sum is not found in the map, you just add the current cumulative sum at index I is this cumulative sum. If it is found in the map, then you just have to go from the index you are currently at to the index where you found the same index, same sum, basically cumulative sum. Basically that means that from the I minus hash map to I, the sum is 0. So that means it has the contiguous subarray of equal number of zeros and ones. So that's the idea. And then you, if it is greater than the current max length, you update it. And let us see the sample run in this case. So you start off with 0, so -1, another 0, -2, another 0, -3, another 0, -4, and then you see 1, and then you see -3. So you see -3 here and -3 here. So you add it to, you update the max length to 2, and similarly you update it to 4, and then you update it to 6, and then at 7 you see cumulative sum as 0. But if not for this, you would have returned 7, which is incorrect. Now because this is -1, so it is 7 minus -1, it becomes 7 plus 1 and 8, and which is the right answer in this case. And that's it. Let me know, comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise I will see you in the next video.